Hello friends, today I will start my video with a question, that is, can we change our next generation? Nowadays we have lots of problems in our society. For example, small babies are not sleeping at night and crying a lot. Kids are doing lots of tantrums. Kids are too much addicted to screen. Kids are learning bad things from television and games. Kids are not listening to their parents. Teenagers are addicted to smoking, drinking, and drugs. Youngsters are not taking care of their parents when it's needed. Domestic violence, unethical living, and last but not least, terrorism. Do you find any single solution to all these problems? Do you know the root of all these problems? Have you ever thought that why we are searching for solutions only at the time when we encounter the problem? Why we are not taking preventive steps to resolve all these worldwide social problems? The reason is we don't know the root of these problems. And the root is misinterpretation of the term parenting. Generally, people are thinking that the responsibility of parents starts after kids' birth only, and we are taking the pregnancy period just as a medical matter. But we all are wrong there. Pregnancy is a psychological and spiritual matter for all women of the world, irrespective of nationality, religion, caste, and race. Nowadays, that is proven scientifically also. We, the Pregnancy for Superchild, has taken this as a mission to spread awareness for the psychological and spiritual side of pregnancy scientifically. In all our videos, we are describing different techniques to enhance the psychological and spiritual level during pregnancy. By the efforts to improve pregnancy period with relaxation and spirituality, we can bring our next generation ethical. Now, the question is, to bring our next generation ethical, one must know actually what is the start point of life. Always, the next generation is the creation of a mother. By changing a little bit of thinking and physical habits, a future mother can give a peaceful future to this world. Motherhood is the time that changes a woman in many aspects. During the time of pregnancy, a woman passes through many changes physically and hormonally. These changes create anxiety in the woman. To avoid this anxiety or pass it peacefully, we should understand the first trimester as a trimester of spiritual development. It doesn't mean to avoid it medically. We are considering all medical aspects also. Let's start with why one should consider this period as a period of spiritual development. As we all know, in first trimester, base of the body is developing. If the base is strong, the entire structure will be strong. The zygote starts with sperm and egg. So, the quality of the sperm and egg affects the basic formation of zygote. The next question comes in our mind, that is, nowadays, why the quality of sperms and eggs are not best? The reason is our modern lifestyle, food habits, and pollution around us. Presently, everyone is living a stressful life, and stress affects the quality of sperms and egg cells. In the description of this video, I had given the scientific reference also. So now the next question is how the quality of sperms and eggs can be improved. The only answer is meditation or mindfulness. Meditation or mindfulness is the best remedy for stress. There are medicines to remove stress, but they might have side effects for both mother and the future baby. While meditation is the only way that doesn't have side effects. So, by doing meditation before conception, one can improve the quality of sperm and egg. Even to some extent, genetic diseases can also be eliminated from the fetus through meditation. Meditation is based on energy cycle in nature. So, meditation rotates good and bad energy through 7 chakras in our body. In other words, meditation detoxifies our body at thought and spiritual level. By daily meditation, if the mother is detoxified, then she can create a strong and pure base for her baby and can give a better life to her baby in the future. In first trimester, basic structure blob or blastocyst develops, and from that more cells and structures are developing in baby's body. Slowly, life starts in that. We don't know the exact time when the soul or life enters into the baby, but we are sure that life starts or enters in first trimester only. That's why we are saying first trimester as a spiritual development period. When life starts, almost none of the organs has been developed. The soul is pure, and if you believe, it takes its mother's thoughts as imprints for its new life. So, future mother's mental situation affects the whole life of an unborn baby. To know more about the activities to stay positive and pure in first trimester, visit our website www.pregnancyforsuperchild.com or stay tuned and watch our next video. Thank you.